My friend, can you make Punjene Paprike for us? Of course! Let's make Punjene Paprike. Get paprika. Remove what is inside. Now let's make the filling. Onion, garlic. Put oil in pan. Add onion and garlic. Add meat, salt and pepper. Add vegeta. Add paprika. Add rice. Add flour. Fill the paprika. Don't fill to the top because the rice will expand. Add tomato juice. Add tomato paste. Cut parsley. And put in the rubbish. Makakav parsley, bre! Now cover and cook.
And punjena paprika is ready. Oh, ho, ho.
That is punjene paprike.